So in this video, we will learn about migrating from the old design to the new design. As you can see in the done column, we have completed so far multiple tasks. Now we have this design from the table. I will share the link. So I will try to migrate that design from the old app into the new app. So this is how the old application work like. It's a very simple design. It's demonstrate you like how the functionality is working, like listing of nodes, edit nodes, and delete nodes. I will change the branch where I already modified the code and refactor in the code. So I will run the application and to see how the new design look like. It's running now. Currently we don't have any nodes. I will add a node and let's just add title. We can simply adding multiple tags to the node, and we can add description as well. I will click on the check icon. It will create a new node. We have also seen the edit button. So when you press on it, it will enable the UI to make changes to the existing node. And that's how the listing screen will look like.